I cannot believe my crazy friends are doing this. They're all they're all the way right there. I know I can't zoom in and all that, but they're right at the front where it says 1. So right now everybody's getting situated and seated. Hopefully this ride will start pretty soon, I hope.
We're locking them in now.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. If you have a weak stomach or a light heart, don't ride this at all. Hang on, I need to step back a bit. Anytime now, I hope. There's a roller coaster right next to us, for those of you who are wondering. Y'all can like skip ahead if you want to, because I don't want to waste any time. Matter of fact, let me just get right over here. Oh, this is a better view right here. Oh, yeah, now that's better. Oh yeah, now you can see everything. Because I can't zoom in and out and all that. I'm doing this from my iPod, so I can't. Oh God, the ride's gonna start. Oh God. Oh, there they go. Oh. Oh God. Oh my Lord. Oh, oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh. Sounds like they're having fun. Oh my God! Oh, oh my God!
I want to catch it when it's stopping.
I know. Oh, oh! Oh, oh! Oh my God! I know.
It's no need for me to go on the ride, but I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. You know, it's not even a problem. I go to the kitty one.
Ladies and gentlemen, listen up. Time is running out on the best deal on unlimited thrills. Upgrade today to a gold season pass for as low as $21.01 when buying 4 based on your ticket's admission
Is the ride
value.
over?
You'll enjoy free parking, free admission to Carowinds Halloween Lawn, first ride access, and a whole lot more. But hurry, this unbeatable deal on unlimited thrills ends on
Alright, that's it.